Delhi Capitals, all players prize money in IPL 2025. Delhi Capitals player number 1, Abhishek Porel. From India, wicket keeper, age 22 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 4 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 2, Ajay Mandal. From India, all-rounder, age 29 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 30 lakhs Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 3, Ashutosh Sharma. From India, batter, age 26 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 3.80 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 4, Akshar Patel. From India, all-rounder, age 30 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 16.50 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 5, Darshan Nalkande. From India, bowler, age 26 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 30 lakhs Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 6, Donovan Ferreira. From South Africa, wicket keeper, age 26 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 75 lakhs Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 7, Dushmantha Chameera. From Sri Lanka, bowler, age 33 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 75 lakhs Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 8, Faf du Plessis. From South Africa, batter, age 40 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 2 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 9, Harry Brook. From England, batter, age 26 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 6.25 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 10, Jake Fraser McGurk. From Australia, batter, age 22 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 9 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 11, Karun Nair. From India, batter, age 33 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 50 lakhs Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 12, KL Rahul. From India, wicket keeper, age 32 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 14 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 13, Kuldeep Yadav. From India, bowler, age 29 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 13.25 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 14, Madhav Tiwari. From India, all-rounder, age 21 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 40 lakhs Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 15, Manvant Kumar. From India, all-rounder, age 21 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 30 lakhs Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 16, Mitchell Starc. From Australia, bowler, age 35 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 11.75 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 17, Mohit Sharma. From India, bowler, age 36 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 2.20 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 18, Mukesh Kumar. From India, wicket keeper, age 22 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 8 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 20, Sameer Rizvi. From India, batter, age 21 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 95 lakhs Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 19, T. Natarajan. From India, bowler, age 33 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 10.75 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 21, Tristan Strbbs. From South Africa, wicket keeper, age 24 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 10 crore Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 22, Viparaj Nigam. From India, bowler, age 20 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 50 lakhs Indian rupees. Delhi Capitals player number 23, Tripurana Vijay. From India, all-rounder, age 23 years. And IPL 2025 prize money, 30 lakhs Indian rupees.